Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to enable the Passkey in your Pi Network app to secure your Pi tokens. So let's get straight into it. There are a few simple steps that you will need to follow. So first open your app and then go to the settings button in the top left corner. So click on it once and then scroll down to the profile button. So click on that once and then you will find yourself on this page. So just scroll down and search for the Passkey section. So as you can see here, the passkey has not been added, so you can add one. Click on add here and you will have to type your password, so just type your password and click on continue. And here, if you have Face ID for your iPhone, then it will take the Face ID as the passkey, or if you have a code, then it will take the code, like the pin code. So whatever passkey you have on your phone, it will take it automatically. So just confirm it, and then as you can see here, the passkey has been added. So of course you can disable it or change it by clicking on this manage button, and that's it. So that was it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.